As Russian President Vladimir Putin arrives in India, all eyes are once again on a place that has quietly shaped some of India's biggest diplomatic moments. This time, PM Modi and President Putin will hold their crucial talks at Hyderabad House. But what makes this building so special? Well, the story of Hyderabad House began in 1928 when Nizam Mir Osman Ali Khan, then one of the richest men in the world, wanted a grand residence in Delhi. He was tired of temporary tent palaces and bought almost 12 acres of land near the Viceroy's house, now Rashtrapati Bhavan, and he also spent over 50 lakh to build his dream palace. Designed by the legendary Sir Edwin Lutyens, the building blends European symmetry with Mughal arches in a unique butterfly-shaped layout. But when the Nizam visited it, he reportedly dismissed it as a stable and never stayed there even once. After independence, everything changed. By 1954, the Ministry of External Affairs leased Hyderabad House from Andhra Pradesh. Later in the 1970s, the centre exchanged land to take permanent ownership. Since then, the mansion has become India's diplomatic fortress, the go-to venue for hosting world leaders. Barack Obama, Shinzo Abe, Emmanuel Macron, and many others have walked through its halls for conversations that shaped global politics. So why does Hyderabad House remain the Prime Minister's preferred stage? Well, there are three big reasons. First is privacy. Its inward-facing design protects confidential talks. Then it has historical weight. Once built by princely wealth, now owned by the Republic, it carries deep symbolism. And then there is a tradition as well. Decades of global leaders meeting Indian PMs here has made it a diplomatic symbol in itself. And now as President Putin arrives in India, Hyderabad House once again prepares to host another chapter in India's evolving global partnerships. Were you aware of this information or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.